My name is Rob, and I'm a street photographer based out of the upstate region, or downstate region, or whatever the Orange County, Hudson Valley region of New York is, upper downstate, state of New York. Street photography it has like a therapeutic nature to it, and it really puts you into the here and now and encourages you to focus on what is in front of you. I find that learning to slow down, enjoying the process of street photography is more fulfilling than rushing to just get results. I can go into one area over and over and over again and see something different each time, whether it's through the time of day, the seasons, or events, or pandemic, or something like that. And not all the time will I get what I want. And that's okay, because that's part of the journey of street photography. Some days I won't get anything, other days everything feels like it's in synchronicity. Either way, with consistency, you're always growing.
Simba.
My camera of choice is the Fujifilm X100V. It's a compact and stealthy little camera at a fixed lens of 23 millimeters. I really love the quality of this camera and how sharp it can really be, even wide open at f2. And it's really been my bae.